Hello everyone and welcome to this new Picotron GUI tutorial. Today we're going to learn about scroll bars and lists. As we did in the last tutorial, we're going to create a new file called GUI, create the GUI and include it here. Let's already call these functions, and if it's black, it means everything is going good. If you guys haven't watched the first episode, I advise you to do so. There I teach you what this means and this also. We're just going to draw and update each element of the GUI. Go watch the first episode and everything is going to be clear to you. So now we create a container like we did before. X100, Y100, width 100 and height 170. This is just the container where I want to store my elements. So we're going to use our loved function fill background, alright? Because it's fast, I don't want to be doing this stuff always. This just fills the background of the element. As you see, self width is 100, self height is 170. It starts from here, from 100, right? So we do fill background self, and then the color, like 8. Yeah, self. Right guys, remember to do this. As you can see, it created it. It starts from 100, 100 and it goes until the end. Let's give it another color like 7. Now to add elements to this container, we're just going to do container attach. And here we're going to attach our first element. We want it to start from x0, y0. We want its width to be exactly as container.width, and its height, let's make it like 30. Now the same thing we did here, but give it another color just to see what we're doing. Alright, maybe this is too much. Yeah, we can print something inside like hello, and let's make it start from 510, give it a color 7, and here 9. Alright, now that we have containers, we want to add more than one. We just put this thing inside a for loop. For I equal to 0 until 15, we want this much elements. The y of each element has to be I multiplied by 25, which is the height of this element. On the first time we cycle through this for loop, I is equal to 0, 0 multiplied by 25 is 0, 1 multiplied by 25 is 25. As you can see, now it works. Because each time the y becomes bigger and just where the element before finishes. Put this upper 50, the container. As you can see, we can see other stuff there. We make the height 100, we can see only 4. Now how do we add a scroll bar? It's easy guys, it's the easiest thing there's on Picotron. Watch this. We just do container attach scroll bars. Let's see. We have something here. We even have the pointer that changes, right? But it isn't working. Why? It's because actually we didn't do a good thing by doing container attach here. We had to make another container just for our scrollable elements. So let's create a new container and attach it to container. Alright, so its width equal to container.width and its height container.height. Now we need to attach our elements to scroll bar, and it doesn't work because the scrollable height is equal to the container height. So scroll bars just say, hey, I don't need to do anything. Your content scrollable is as big as you, so why should I do anything? Let's do something like plus 500. Now we can scroll each element, but we have some problems, right? We want this height to be exactly the same as our loop, right? So just for simplicity, I'm going to do something like 25 multiplied by 15, which is the number of elements. And it finally works. All right. Obviously, we can create a table, call it a scroll menu. So we have these 4 things here. Now, in the for loop, just do for I equal to 0 until each element in our scroll menu. And here we do 25 multiplied by the number of elements in scroll menu. And the same thing here. Now we only have 4 elements, so the scroll bar obviously will not work. But if we make the height 50, now we have our scroll bar. But it says hello, and we wanted to say its content. Here we just do scroll menu with its position. Position plus 1 starts from 0, and Lua tables start from 1. Yeah. Alright, file, edit, credits, exit. And as we did in the last tutorial, you can do your functions like tap, update, release, click, all your methods. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you got any questions, requests, just comment down here. Like, subscribe, a lot of good things are going to come. And thank you for your support. Have a good time. See you in the next one.